First question, what were your expectation before the first dance fitness class? So, I expected it to be difficult and tiring because dance is not my passion. Describe your favorite aspect of typical dance fitness class. So, my favorite part of the class is yung music because parang and yung dance kasi because parang nagpa-party lang. How important is the instructor's style and personality to your engagement? So, if yung instructor natin is energetic and friendly, mas matututo tayo and mas mamamotivate tayo sa ginagawa natin. Do you prefer learning complex choreography or simpler, repetitive movements, and why? I prefer yung simpler and repetitive movement because mas easy to follow and mas nafo-focus yung steps. How would you describe the energy level of the classes you attend? So class is very high and we all enjoy yung class. Have you noticed any improvements in your physical fitness since starting dance fitness, such as endurance, strength, and yes, yung pagka-flexibility and yung stamina. Do you feel more confident in your dance abilities now compared? Yes, because in the first place I was shy and afraid of making mistakes, but now I feel more confident dancing in front of others. What is the biggest challenge you face in dance fitness and how did you overcome it? My biggest challenge is not being confident enough sa mga ginagawa during class. And I overcome it by by joining others sa dance. Have you ever felt self-conscious or intimidated in the dance fitness class? No. No po. What motivates you to keep attending class regularly? What motivates me the most is the positive energy of the class, the group, and the music po. How dance fitness impacted your mental and emotional well-being? So the dance fitness helps me to release stress and improve my confidence po. Would you recommend dance fitness to others? Why and why not? Yes, I would recommend dance fitness because it is to help people to stay fit and more confident in their body